Okay. And the way the game works on your card, right? Your card is your sequence of targets. The top number is a single, so whoever starts in 1 is going to be first. They're going to shoot their single. And then the guy in 2 is going to shoot his single. The guy in 3 is going to shoot his single right down the line. And then we come back to the guy in 1, shoots his first pair, pair, back to 1, bottom pair, down the line. And then when Dwight finishes his card, then I'm going to say guns open and rotate, guns open and change. Okay? And then we'll move down one to the right. So Lem, you can grab a gun. Grab that gun that's right there on the rack. I'm going to put you in 1. Lem, 8 going high and right. That's the number right there on your card.
Yeah.
Single 8 going.
Since I last shot a gun.
Huh?
It's been 20 years since I last shot a gun.
Ah, piece of cake. It's like riding a bike. Bottom barrel, bottom barrel. Close it up. Stay off your trigger when you close it. It's ready to go.
Alright, pull.
Lost. Now you know what it feels like. 7 off the roof. Coming right over Riley's head. 7 off the roof. Pull. Oh, single 1 on the right, going up and away.
Pull.
Single 2, bunny rabbit. Single 2.
Pull.
Single 5 coming straight in. Single 5.
Pull.
Pull.
There you go.
Dead pair. 7's off the roof, Aaron. 4's coming floating in. 7 and 4.
Pull.
Dead pair. 3 and 4.
Pull. I got a chip.
1 and 6. 1's on your right, 6 is going straight up. 1 and 6.
Pull.
Lost the pair. 1's on. Yeah. Single 5. 1 and 6.
Pull.
Pair. 4, Dwight. Bunny rabbit. And the 4 is coming. 2 and 4.
Pull.
And lost. The pair. 1 and 3.
Pull.
Pair. 3 and 8. Single 7.
Pull.
Yeah, good job. Single 1. 6.
Pull.
Dead pair. 7 and 4. Single 1.
Pull.
Yeah, go 2. Got him?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, single 2.
Pull.
Yeah, single 5. 7 and 4.
Oh.
Good fair. 3 and
Oh.
lost and dead. Single 2.
Oh.
Yeah, single 5 coming in.
Pull.
And too late. High and right.
Pull.
Good fair. 2.
Oh.
Yeah, single 7.
Pull.
Yeah, single 1. 2 and 6.
Pull.